Welcome to our channel. Connect your HP DeskJet 2800e printer to Wi-Fi now. Power it up. Plug in the printer, turn it on, and wait for it to settle. Check the Wi-Fi button. Look for the wireless button on the control panel. The light should be blinking. If not, hold it down until it does. Put it in setup mode. Hold the wireless button and the cancel button together for a few seconds. That resets Wi-Fi and gets it ready to connect. Download HP Smart App. On your phone or laptop, grab the HP Smart App from the store. That's what handles the setup. Open the app, launch the app, hit the plus sign, and choose Set up a new printer. Find your printer. The app should scan and pick up your DeskJet 2800e automatically. If it doesn't, make sure you're close to the printer. Connect to Wi-Fi. Pick your home Wi-Fi from the list in the app. Enter the password. Double check it's the right one. Wait for confirmation. The printer light will stop blinking and go solid once it's linked. That's how you know it worked. Print a test page. Use the app to send a quick test page. If it prints, you're good. Place it where it stays. Move the printer where you'll use it, but keep it within range of your router so the signal stays solid. That's all it takes. Your HP DeskJet 2800e is now on Wi-Fi and ready to print. Thank you for watching.